What's up, guys? So welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Bars right here on arr3sd TV. And as I always say, if you're new here and you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified.
First to update in the news. First to update, Funnyface been slapped by police. You see the thing, what did they do for Ghana here? They slap Funnyface for face. They slap her for face. Mama and Pananko. Funnyface has been slapped in the face. We are putting it in Facebook live.